At Mid-Michigan College, we use Moodle as our learning management system, or LMS. You may already be familiar with other LMSs like Canvas, Blackboard, or Google Classroom. Moodle is where you will find your course shells, which contain materials, assignments, and other content for a course. Each course has its own shell. Please note that individual instructors will use their shells in different ways, so organization, navigation, or content can differ between them. You can access Moodle by either typing moodle.midmich.edu into your browser or by going to MyMid from the Mid-Michigan College main site and selecting Moodle. We ultimately recommend bookmarking Moodle to make it easier to access. Once you log in, you will see your dashboard. On the left is a course search box and a navigation box, which shows the courses you are currently enrolled in. In the center is an announcements section with announcements from administrators, a list of recently accessed courses, and a list of current and past courses. On the right are links for other learning resources or MID services, like the help desk and tutoring services. To go into a course, click on the course in your navigation block or the recently accessed courses block. From here, you can interact with the specific course's materials and check grades. If you have any technical issues with Moodle, please feel free to reach out to the help desk.